Hello. Today we will discuss about second part of zoology lecture MCQs part 2. Which of the following group of animal has a cellular or unicellular body? So its right answer is protozoa. Protozoa has cellular or unicellular body. Which contribute to success of Mendel? So its right answer is his knowledge of biology. Third MCQs, genetic identity of a human male is determined by sex chromosomes. Yeah, by sex chromosome we can identity of a human. We can determine identity of a human. Question number 4. Upper part of sea or aquatic ecosystem contains. Its right answer will be plankton. The structure that is used for feeding in most mollusks is the radiola. So it means radiola is a structure that is used for feeding in most mollusks. Question number 6. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? So its right answer is arboreal adaptations, webbed feet. It means that they have webbed feet and arboreal adaptations. Lamarck's theory of organic evolution was published in the book entitled Philosophic Zoologic. Its right answer is B. Philosophic Zoologic. Metabolic rate in mammal is controlled by thyroid. The umbilical groove is found between the rows of tube feet. Its right answer will be rows of tube feet. Question number 10. Agnathans and gnathostomes branched apart most likely during the Cambrian period. Its right answer will be Cambrian period. Many echinoderms have two parts to the stomach. These two parts are caldaic, pyloric. Caldaic and pyloric. Which of the following fish may be characterized as eel-like, parasitic, and possessing a cartilaginous skeleton? So it means that its right answer is lamprey fish. Yes, it means that lamprey is a fish which has characterized as eel-like, parasitic, and possessing a cartilaginous skeleton. Question number 13. Which of the following evolved from a group of carnivorous pelycosaurs? Pelycosaurs means the animals. The pelycosaurs were previously considered an order, but now they are only an informal grouping composed of basal and primitive late Paleozoic synapsid, sometimes called mammal-like reptiles. Yes, so it means that Pelycosaurs are mammals like reptiles. They consist of all synapsid excluding the therapsid and their descendants. Their length is 3 meter and informal group is Pelycosauria and phylum is Chordata and kingdom is Animalia. So it means that pelycosaurs are mammals like reptiles. Question number 14. Freshwater fish that survived the Devonian period possessed. Its right answer is lungs. So there is a question that what is Devonian period? Devonian period, it is a geological period time, and Devonian is a geological period and system of the Paleozoic spanning 60 million years from the end of the Silurian 419.2 million years ago to the beginning of Carboniferous 358.9 Mea. It is named after Devon, England, where rocks from this period were first studied. It is a Paleozoic era and occurred 400 million years ago. Question number 15. Which of the following group of the animal has no parasites? Which of the following group of the animals has no parasites? So its right answer is echinoderms. Yeah, means echinodermata. Echinodermata are the major group of only marine animals. The name comes from the Greek word for spiny skin. Echinoderms. It is a scientific name of echinodermata. Echinodermata has scientific name called echinoderms, and it is derived from the Greek word spiny skin. There are about 7,000 species found usually on the sea floor in every marine habitat from the intertidal zone to the ocean depth. They have a wide variety of colors. Yes, it means that echinoderms have a wide variety of colors. It means that they have many types of colors. Its scientific name is echinodermata, and higher classification is Deuterostomi, and its rank is phylum, and phylum is echinodermata, and kingdom Animalia, and domain is Eukaryota. Question number 16. It mates with TT mates with T capital and T small. What will be the character of offspring? Its right answer will be 50% recessive. Yes. Question number 17. Fertilizing is a chemical substance produced from the mature eggs. Here is a question that what is mature egg? What is mature, and is a mature follicle an egg? So its answer is where we can determine that mature egg. What is the treatment for immature eggs in ovaries? If you ultimately decide to undergo infertility treatment, your doctor will likely start a regimen of oral fertility medication such as letrozole or Colamb to help stimulate the ovaries. Other alternatives include injectable fertility medication or gonadotropins. Yes. So it means that mature eggs are produced. Question number 18. Association of animals when both partners are benefited. So its right answer is mutualism. Mutualism is a system where both get benefits. Mutualism is defined as an interaction between individuals of different species that result in positive beneficial effect on per capita reproduction and or several survival of the interacting population. Yes, it means that in mutualism both get benefit. Mutualistic relationship is when two organisms of different species work together, each benefiting from the relationship. One example of mutualistic relationship is that of the oxpecker, a kind of bird, which is a kind of bird. Oxpecker is actually kind of bird, and the rhinoceros or zebra. Oxpecker gets food and beast get pest control. Yes. Now here is a 19 number question MCQs. The trochophore larva indicate a common ancestry for which of the following pairs? Its right answer will be Mollusca annelida. Yes. Here is a question 20. Desert animals confine their activities during night time because they have a problem of conservation of water during the daytime. It means that they have problem of conservation of water during the daytime. Question number 21. The character of a no-shell integmental scale, a reduced head and being dioecious, described which of the following mollusk? Its right answer will be Caudatophrota. Here is another question. HCG is secreted by placenta. HCG is secreted by placenta. Human, it means is H means human chorionic gonadotropin is a hormone produced primarily by syncytoblastic cells of the placenta during pregnancy. Hormone stimulates the corpus luteum to produce progesterone to maintain the pregnancy. Smaller amount of HCG are also produced in the pituitary gland, the liver and colon. Here is a question number 25. Echinoderms have developed the ability to exploit many sources of food. The sea stars are dash, the sea urchins are dash, and the sea cucumbers are carnivorous, herbivorous, and deposit feeders. It means that here is its right answer. So it was our first video, and we will meet again in another second video.